Hello everyone. Today topic is problem based on the Rayleigh equation for simple distillation column. Let's see an example of how to calculate the composition of composite distillate and residue in simple or differential distillation using the Rayleigh equation. So let's see an example. 100 kilomole of a mixture containing 50 mole% N-heptane, that is a more volatile component, and 50 mole% N-octane, is subjected to a differential distillation at atmospheric pressure with 60 mole% of liquid distilled. Find the composition of the composited distillate and the residue using the Rayleigh equation. Now, let's solve this example. So in this example, we have to calculate YD average, that is distillate composition, and XW, that is residue composition. So to find this, we use the Rayleigh equation. So Rayleigh equation is ln of F by W is equal to integration of 1 by y minus x into dx from xw to xf, where F is equal to initial moles in a differential distillation column of feed, W is equal to moles left in differential distillation column or residue, xf is equal to the composition of the liquid in the feed, and xw is equal to the composition of the liquid in the residue. Now, we have given the feed contains 50 mole% of N-heptane and 50 mole% octane. Hence, let's take the bases as 100 kilomole of feed. Now, let F, D, and W be the feed, distillate, and residue respectively. Hence, let F is equal to 100 kilomole. Now, as we have given 60 mole% of the liquid distilled, hence we get D is equal to 0.6 into is equal to 0.6 into 100, which is equal to 60 kilomole. Now, let's take the material balance on the differential distillation column. So we get F is equal to D plus W. As we have F and D, so the equation becomes Thiele. 100 is equal to 60 plus W. After solving this, we get W is equal to 40 kilomole. Now, let's put the value of F and W in the Rayleigh equation. So, as we know, Rayleigh equation is ln of F by W is equal to integration of 1 by y minus x into dx from xw to xf. So after putting the value of F and W, we get ln of 100 divided by 40 is equal to integration of 1 by y minus x into dx from xw to xf. So, after solving this, we get 0.916 is equal to integration of 1 by y minus x into dx from xw to xf. Now, to solve the right-hand side of the equation, first, we have to plot a graph between 1 divided by y minus x versus x. Then, we will measure the area under the curve from x is equal to xf to x is equal to xw. So from this, we get xw that is composition of residue. So in this problem, we have given equilibrium data. Now, from this table, let's calculate 1 divided by y minus x. So we have values of 1 divided by y minus x and x. Now, let's plot the graph between 1 divided by y minus x on y-axis and x on x-axis. Now, to measure the area under the curve, from x equal to xf, draw straight line from x is equal to xf, which is equal to 0.5. Now, to find area under the curve, we used formula 0.916 is equal to area into x-axis scale into y-axis scale. As in this graph, we take scale 0.05 on x-axis and on the y-axis 1. So equation becomes 0.916 is equal to area into 0.05 into 1. So we get the area is equal to 18.32 centimeters square. So now we have to adjust 18.32 centimeters square area under the curve from xf equal to 0.5. Now, as we know, one block on the graph paper is of 1 centimeter square. So, we have to count 18.32 boxes. So, in this way we get xw is equal to 0.325. So, in this way, from the graph we get xw is equal to 0.325. Hence, we get residue composition, that is, xw is equal to 0.325. Now, to calculate distillate composition, we will write the overall material balance as xf into f is equal to d into yd average plus w into xw. After putting the values of xf, fd, and wxw, we get 0.5 into 100 is equal to 60 into yd average plus 40 into 0.325. So after solving this, we get yd average is equal to 0.6167. So, in this way we get composition of distillate is equal to 0.6167. So, in this way, using Rayleigh equation, we get residue composition, that is, xw is equal to 0.325. And, using overall material balance, we get composition of distillate is equal to 0.6167. If you like my video, please like my video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.